नाम क्या मैडम? Yes, explain.
BP, everything will be checked. BP,
pulse rate, all vitals we will check. And we will ask for all the any allergic history to medicines, everything is there or not.
So you will check all this.
Yeah.
Now, what is the reason for checking the BP?
All vitals we have to check before giving vaccinations. After giving vaccines also we will check again all vitals. So any difference change, any BP fall, anything is there that we
any allergic to
allergic.
Yes. Next.
we're doing the registration in the app. Come. Okay. Verification is done now. Now verification is done. You got the message?
Yeah.
Got the message?
Yeah.
You can show the message. Okay. With me, I am Rizwan Asad here. I am in Santosh Hospital, one of the leading and one of the famous hospitals in Fraser Town. And today is the first day where their vaccination has arrived here, and all the frontline warriors of Santosh Hospital has been vaccinated. The first vaccination has been given to one of the warriors who is a staffer of Santosh Hospital, and we could see the procedure from waiting. They have come to then do the registration, then they have to check their height, weight, BP and ECG and the pulse rate, and see that whether they are allergic to any medicine or not. After that, they'll get a SMS on the app, and after that app they have their name registered, and then they have come here for injection. So now the very first patient who has been vaccinated, I'm going to speak to her. You have been vaccinated. How do you feel?
Normal, sir.
Normal.
I'm normal.
Normal.
Yes.
So you have been actively involved in the hospital from day one.
Yes, sir.
Well, what do you do in Santosh Hospital?
I'm a cashier, sir.
Cashier.
Yeah.
I have with me the Chief Operating Officer and one of the heads of Santosh Hospital, Amanullah, Dr. Amanullah. Doctor, how many vaccines have come, and how many COVID warriors are you going to vaccinate today in your hospital?
It has come about 100. There are 3 different lists. One for the staff of the hospital, second list is for the consultants, and third list probably for our postgraduate students and nursing students. Today we got 100 doses to be given to the hospital, and we have started today from morning around 10 o'clock.
What is it vaccine? What is it called?
It is now what they have supplied to us is Covishield. Yeah, there are 2 vaccines. One is Covaxin and Covishield. Now we have got this Covishield, and so far whatever vaccines we have given to our staff, nobody has developed any sort of sensitivity or any reactions, and everything
So how
is
do you
well.
store that?
It is all stored in this. No, it is, the BMP has provided us with the cooling boxes. They have brought the vaccination, and BBMP officials are also here. So
Just show that cooling box. Showing you the vaccines which are there in the cooling boxes. This is the vaccine. You can see it here. Just explain, Dr. Sir, how do you... what?
these vaccines have been given by BBMP staff, and they have brought it in a cooler, which we are supposed to keep it.
For how many hours?
It could be, it can stay for a few days, but once you take the vial outside, it has to be used within 4 hours. And each vial can be utilized for 10 people. Each vial is a 10 ml vial, and we are giving 0.5 ml per each patient. So altogether, one vial can cover 10 patients.
And after this first vaccine, how does the patient take the second vaccine? How many months?
That the BBMP has to take a call, probably after 3 weeks, that they will tell us in advance. As of now, we are giving the first dose. The subsequent dose will be decided by the BBMP authorities.
So now that first patient and your warriors have come here,
Yeah.
any side effects?
No, sir, absolutely
any
not.
headache or
Absolutely
any nausea?
not. In fact, after vaccination, we kept them for half an hour for observation, and we were monitoring them with the PO2 and blood pressure every 10 minutes. At the end of 30 minutes, again, we reviewed the persons who got vaccinated. By nothing happened, and all is well.
I have with me another famous doctor who is known as ambulance doctor, Dr. Shabir. Dr. Shabir, you have taken the initiative here. How do you think that this vaccine would go in a long way, because no warriors, then the doctors. So can you just highlight me on the...
No, first government has decided to give vaccine on frontline health workers, followed by poor karmikas and police department, and then once these people, then we'll come for public.
So what is the total staff of your Santosh Hospital, and only today 100 have come?
See, we have given close to 300 employee names. First 100 name list is released today, so which we have vaccinated today.
So any complaints have come from any warriors?
No, so far so good. No complaints.
And after this vaccination, then they can have normal food?
Yeah, they can have normal food, no problem.
After how many hours or how many minutes?
There's nothing.
Because you said half an hour they have to wait.
We have to wait for observation only. So as of
In the
now,
meantime, no need of having anything during the observation.
No.
Sir, you have been looking after this.
Yeah.
So do you think that this vaccination all will take? And what is your take on this? Because even you are going to take. Are you
Yeah.
confident of taking it?
Yeah, of course. I think from morning we have been doing this, and there is a very good response what we are getting from our staff members, and I think confidence level among the staff members is really good. And I would like to thank the government and WHO, the health department for coming out with such a wonderful drug. And I think most of them they are going to take, and it is going to be beneficial for all of us.
Check the weight. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Your blood pressure is 96 millimeter of mercury filler. Your pulse is...
Mobile number? 19-66. If you feel any giddiness or anything, you have to inform us. After the vaccine, you will be sitting here in the counter for observation. Okay. After vaccine also, after 21 days, we have to repeat your test, COVID test. Second thing is, since I have taken vaccine, no need for me mask and social distancing. That should not be the attitude. How we are following the same way, we need to have the mask and using the sanitizer wherever we go. Third thing is use the social distance in between wherever you go. Okay, and anytime if any discomfort is there, directly you can call up to the number which is given to you. It will be given to you. Okay, I will be writing here the expiry date and date of manufacturing of the vaccine, and I will be giving you the. Can you sign it here that you have taken your vaccine? Because after the vaccine. Can you take up your phone? Not the card. It will be a small injection. Don't drop it. Okay. After a few minutes, you can take out the cotton. Okay.
I have with me Dr. Santosh, who is the chief of Santosh Hospital, and today in his hospital, front-line COVID warriors have been vaccinated, and he's going to explain to us what exactly is this vaccination and the name of the company, and what are the effects and side effects.
Hi Rizwan. First of all, thank you for coming over to our hospital and covering our drive which has been happening. So we've been given this Covishield vaccine which has been manufactured at the this Serum Institute by the BBMP. BBMP has been very graceful about this. So we thank them first of all that they are looking at all the healthcare workers on priority, and all our staff have been given this particular vaccine. So we've started this drive in the morning from 9:30 onwards, and it will go up to almost 5:30, 7 o'clock to 7, I think so. And so what we did is from the beginning we started measuring their vital signs, the pulse, saturation, the temperature and everything. So after that, once we did that, then all the people were undergoing their the KYC checks, which again the BBMP has been scrutinizing in a fantastic manner, and following which we've been giving them the vaccines. So till date we vaccinated quite a number of people, and we did not have any complications as of today.
And a lot of myths are there, like you'll get headache, you'll vomit, impotent will be there, lung problem, and after half an hour you have been observing. So what exactly did you observe?
See, today we were observing whether they had any signs and symptoms of acute reactions, which as you've already told, like the giddiness, the headaches and everything. Luckily, not a single person who've taken the vaccine had it. So all of them were observed for almost 30 minutes, and post-vaccination also their vitals were checked. Again for pulse, their saturations and everything. So all of it was normal. So we didn't have even a single person having breathlessness or any giddiness or any site reactions, injection site reactions, nothing at all.
And this vaccine, it comes in how many doses, and how many people can get that vaccine in one?
Yeah. So basically this is a multi-vial vaccine, and it is about 5 ml. So you can give about 10 doses. So each dose will be 0.5 ml.
And what is the storage capacity? I just saw the box.
Yeah. So once we open this, it has to be finished in 4 hours time. So beyond 4 hours you cannot use this. So once we open the vial, the cold chain has been maintained. Once we remove it from the cold chain and we open the vial, maximum you can use this within 4 hours. So within 4 hours the whole vial, that means 10 doses has to be completed.
So what would be the cost approximately now that you are giving to your staff? I mean, what is the cost of this?
That's a very difficult question to answer. That only depends on Serum Institute what they're going to price. But what we've been hearing is that they are planning to price it between 250 to 500 rupees is what we got to know.
So I think the general public would be...
General public will take some time because all our healthcare workers will be vaccinated first, followed which the general government employees would happen. Your police department is going to happen. Post that only the general public is going to get it. So easily, at least if I understand easily, at least about 3 months to 5 months, general public should get it.
But with this vaccination, do you think that the people are very anxious to know whether COVID will remain, or we have to maintain the social distance, or we have to wear a mask, everything? We have to follow the procedure.
Yes.
After the vaccination.
Yes.
You just
See, basically this vaccine, your antibodies develops only after both the vials are taken. That means there are 2 shots has to be taken. One today and followed which another shot after 21 days. So same companies, you're right. So you cannot mix with the other vaccine which is already been circulated. So first and foremost, you need to take these 2 vaccines. Only after that the antibodies will start getting produced. So your protection is not that you've taken vaccine today and you can walk around freely. So you have to still maintain your distances. You still have to take care of all your whatever precautions we've been doing. Your hand wash, your mask, and your distance maintaining. Everything has to be continued.
What about children? Like supposing a small child takes vaccine, is it advisable for a small child to
As of now, they are not looking at the children. The adult population is getting vaccinated. Once the children gets vaccinated, only then we will come to know what is the scenario.
doing same vaccine, or they'll try to make something different for the...
See, as of now, India has approved 2 vaccines, so both these vaccines will be circulated. Now, each one will get it, none of us know, because we don't have a choice. So maybe down the line we might have some choice. So at that point of time, that we can see which one we can take it.
We have been showing you how Santosh Hospital very systematically they have organized the vaccination for the COVID warriors. They have received about 100 COVID shield vaccinations from the BBMP, and this is 5 ml which can be given to 10 patients at one time, and they have also observed that after the vaccination a half an hour observation was done to the warriors who have been taken this vaccination, and they find nothing wrong in that. And the second vaccination for the same person with the same company should be given after 21 days. Now it remains to be seen, this vaccination, that whatever precaution one has to take has to be maintained according to Dr. Santosh. It's not medicine to immediately cure your COVID thing. You have to wear your mask, you have to wear your gloves, you have to maintain the social distancing. Rizwan Asad, Nashiman News.